Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Aweber subscriber on Typeform submission. So here I am running online coaching classes. So I am promoting my coaching with the help of Typeform. So basically I have used a registration form on my website which I have created with the help of Typeform, and I am capturing the leads from that form only. And my objective is to add the lead as soon as they are submitting the form as a subscriber in my email marketing application, that is Aweber. Now to automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between Typeform and Aweber, and that I am going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how to create subscriber in Aweber for Typeform submission. So here, as an owner of an online education classes, I am using Typeform to collect the leads from my website. So here, I want that as soon as a lead will be received through Typeform by submitting this form, automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my Aweber account. To automate the process, I will have to build the connection between Typeform and Aweber, and that I am going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation software that helps us to build the connections between our work applications without coding or programming knowledge, simply to automate all our daily repetitive tasks. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we'll find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created, and to save the workflows we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create Aweber subscriber on Typeform submission. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here, different kind of folders for different varieties of workflow I've created. And the automation which I'm going to set up currently is for my lead management. So I'm going to select the folder automations for lead management, and now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here, the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Typeform submission, then automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in Aweber. For that, I'm going to take Typeform and trigger and Aweber in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection, then you will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the form will be submitted in Typeform, then only the subscriber will be created in Aweber, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as Typeform. Then we have to select the trigger event. So on the happening of which event in your Typeform account, you want to capture the response and start your workflow. So I want that whenever a new entry will be made in Typeform, then my workflow should start. So I have selected new entry as my trigger event. And now we are going to build the connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. To build this connection, you can see I'm already logged into my Typeform account. You also have to do the same because it is going to make the connection simple and easier. Here we have two options. So in case if you already have an existing connection, you can go with that. I'm going to show you to build a new connection. And for that, you have to first of all select add new connection, and then you have to click on connect with Typeform. Now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Typeform account. So let's provide the permission as our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. So as I have clicked on accept button, the authorization has become successful and the connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we have to select the form on the submission of which we want to capture the response. So here you can see I have 3 forms on my dashboard. Here we have 3 forms for different purposes. I have created them, but you can select any single form only. So you have to select the specific one which you want to connect. So this is the registration form which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to select the registration form like this. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and now here we are waiting for the response, as you can see. So we have to do a test submission to capture the response. To do a test submission, we have to submit the form which we have recently connected with Pabbly Connect, the registration form in my case. So I'm going to take you back towards type form. Here you can see that this is the form. It contains following fields: first name, last name, phone number, and the email. After completing your form by adding all the fields which you want from the right side, here you have to go to a share option. When you will go towards share option, you will find the shareable URL of the form. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And here you can see that the form is open in front of us. So quickly I'm going to submit the form. Let's start with the name. Let's say the first name of the person who is submitting this form is Best, and let's say the last name is Lead. Let's say the phone number is, and let's say the email is this, bestlead999@pabblytudes.com. As soon as I've clicked on submit button, the form is submitted. So now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that immediately the response is captured. So in the response, we have received all the details. We have the token over here, the date and time at which the form was submitted, the date and time at which the form was landed over here. When you will scroll down, you will see other options as well. Here we have the email address, phone number, and the name of the lead. And these details are exactly the same which we have submitted in the form. This means our connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now our objective is to create subscriber in Aweber by using the response which we have captured. So for that we'll go towards action step, and now we'll be setting up the connection between Aweber and Pabbly Connect. So let us select Aweber as our action application quickly. And then we have to select the action event. So I want to add or update the subscriber. I've selected that, and now let's click on connect. For building the connection, again we have 2 options. So you can see I am already logged into my Aweber account. If you already have an existing connection, you can quickly go with that. I'm going to show you that how you can create a new one. For that you have to go towards add new connection. You have to click on connect with Aweber. And here you can see now it is asking us for the permission to access our Aweber account. I've done reCAPTCHA, and now I'm going to click on allow access. With this, you can see that our authorization has become successful and the connection between Aweber and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we just have to enter the details in these fields to create or update the subscriber. So I want when the person is going to submit my type form, if that person is already an existing subscriber of Aweber, then it should just update it. And if it is a new person, then it should be added as a subscriber. Both the things I want in a single automation. Now here we have the account ID which is already selected. In which list you want to add the subscriber. So here we have a single list which is added. But if you have multiple lists, you can select a single list from the drop down. We have to enter the name, email, phone number, and all the details of the lead. So one by one we will start entering them, and because we have received all these details already in our earlier response, so instead of entering the name manually, here I am going to simply map the name. So here I have the first name, and also I have received the last name, so I'm going to map the last name as well. Like this, I have searched the details which I want in my earlier response by using the keywords, and it has redirected. As I have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically now it is going to replace. So every time a new form will be submitted in Typeform, this name is going to replace automatically with a new name. Along with the name, we are also going to map the email and all the details. So it is asking us whether you want to update existing or not. Yes, I want to update the existing contacts if they are already a subscriber. So I'm going to select yes over here. Now, if you want to provide any tags to your subscribers, you can enter them as well. You can map the values, and that you have to enter in this comma separated values like this. Okay. Then we'll scroll down. We'll map the mobile number as well. City is not mandatory value, and also I have not received it in my earlier response, so I'm going to ignore this field. After mapping all the details directly, I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And you can see that the response is captured. So I'm going to take you towards my Aweber account. We will go towards the subscriber section from the left side. And you can see that yes, my best lead is added over here as a subscriber. This means our connection between Typeform and Aweber is absolutely successful. And now every time a new form will be submitted in Typeform, the person who has submitted the form will be added or updated as a subscriber in Aweber. That is your email marketing application. Once we have set up this connection successfully, now I'm going to test whether the connection and the workflow is running fine or not. For that, once again, I'm going to go and copy the link of the form. I'm going to open it in a new tab quickly. And with some new details, I'm going to submit the form once again. Let's start with the name. Let's say the name is Amazing Lead. Let's say the phone number is this. And let's say the email is this amazing lead 009 at the rate pablitudes.com. Quickly, I'm going to submit the form. Let's go and check on Aweber now whether the amazing lead is added there as a subscriber or not. So I'm going to refresh the subscriber section in Aweber. And yes, here we can see that amazing lead is added with the same email. This means that yes, our connection is absolutely successful and also our workflow is running fine. So you can also very easily create this amazing automation to manage your email marketing list, to add all your leads directly to your email marketing, so that effortlessly and automatically you can send email campaigns for the required details to your leads, and you will be able to maintain the consistency, as well as you will be able to convert these potential leads into payable customers. So I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.